Okay, here it is, fully mounted. It looks crazy, but it is one piece, and look ma, no PCB. I hate PCBs because I can't do them. Here in Brazil it's so complicated, and actually I don't even know how to do them. So right now I'm just soldering all together. It needs to be waterproof anyway, so so here we have, it's off. I think this is pin 1. This is 1. Or 0, huh? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Then we have, I believe, no, it's the opposite. Well, the opposite. 4. No, this is 6. 4. No, yeah, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. Huh? So it works. It's all tested now. And I can get epoxy and I can package it all up.